Hi, today we will learn applique stitching. This is a very easy method of garments decoration. The applique stitching has two steps. At first you will need to create an applique patch. Then you will need to attach or stitch the applique patch into the main garment that you want to decorate. Let us take an example. You can see an example of applique stitching on my right side. Here, the zebras are the applique patches, which have been attached to the main garment. You can buy the applique patches online. In Amazon, you will get variety of designs. The best part is, it comes with a glue at the back side. So, you just need to iron the patch in low temperature on your choice of garments. After ironing, it will be attached to the garment. That's it. Apart from iron pressing, you can also stitch the applique patch. This will give it more strength. You can do nice design with the stitches as well. In this video, we will stitch a custom applique. We have not bought it online. Follow the video till the end to understand the stitching method.